I'm not awarded. Yes, whatever.
This is whatever.
I'm moving to your thing.
Is it my turn, chat? Is it my turn?
Yeah. Kai, do not
It
suck.
is your turn, bro.
Okay.
Do English last, obviously.
Let's see, bro. Let's see, bro.
Start the bottom. Start the bottom. Okay, Matt. I feel you're gonna do good
Okay.
math.
First
bro.
First of psychology. Come on now. That
Hey.
was last year.
Okay.
You're just
Okay.
opening up.
What do I do
Alright, good.
first?
You
What do I
gotta
do
follow.
first? What do I do first?
Math.
Math?
Were you confident on math? 'Cause
No.
Oh. I'm guessing a 3. Come on.
Reveal the math, bro.
Alright, we both got it. We all got a 2, chat. Let's go.
Nice.
I was so bad on math, bro. Paper 3 was so bad. Mandarin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, better next.
Wait, check VT.
Wait,
I mean,
wait,
and Mark.
I'm gonna get a 3. I found the Mandarin better than math, bro.
The math was hard.
Bro. That's so stupid. Okay. My E. Oh fuck. Oh damn. Oh, I was so
damn.
close. I was so
Wait, this one's really hard, huh?
Yeah. History.
I
I think I'm getting like a 3, bro.
Well, you're getting a 4, bro. Come on.
History, bro.
Let's go.
That's
Let's go double.
crazy. You got a 4.
Wait, Kai's cooking right now, low key.
Okay. ESS.
Basically,
Yes. Come on. E.
Oh what? I'm so close.
What?
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, me too. I was 1 away from
What
it.
an ESS.
I know. Okay. I need a 6. I need a 6 to pass.
So wait, you have to get a 6 combined with English and the other one?
Yeah.
Or you have to get 6 with just English?
Alright, Cliff, bro.
Oh, let's go. I told you.
Oh
I
my
told you.
God.
Kai. I told you, bro.
Let's go, bro.
I told you, bro.
All good. Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh, damn it. It is what it is.
It is.
Wait, I
what it
should-
is.